Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a woman over 30, you've probably started to notice a few changes. Maybe your metabolism isn't what it used to be, energy levels feel low, or your skin doesn't bounce back like it once did. But here's the thing, your food can either be your medicine or your enemy. Today, I'm sharing 5 powerful superfoods that every woman over 30 should eat every single day to fight bloating, beat fatigue, slow down aging, and bring hormones back into balance. Stick with me to the end, because number 3 might surprise you. Most women don't even think of it as a superfood, but it could change your health in just weeks. Let's dive in. 1. Avocados, the hormone regulator. Avocados are creamy, delicious, and full of healthy monounsaturated fats. But here's why they're a must for women over 30. After 30, hormone fluctuations can lead to mood swings, fatigue, weight gain, and even breakouts. The healthy fats in avocados help stabilize hormone levels, nourish your brain, and improve skin elasticity. Bonus, they're also rich in potassium and magnesium, which reduce bloating and ease PMS symptoms. How to use it? Add half an avocado to your smoothie or on whole grain toast for breakfast. 2. Blueberries, the anti-aging powerhouse. These tiny berries are loaded with antioxidants that protect your body from oxidative stress, a major cause of aging, wrinkles, and memory decline. They're especially high in anthocyanins, which not only help your skin stay radiant, but also improve focus and brain health. Perfect for busy women juggling life and career. How to use it? Add a handful to oatmeal, smoothies, or eat them plain as a snack. 3. Flax seeds, the estrogen balancer. This one might shock you. Flax seeds are tiny but mighty, especially for hormone health. They're high in lignans, a natural compound that helps balance estrogen levels. That's a game changer for women struggling with PMS, irregular cycles, or menopause symptoms. Flax seeds also provide fiber for gut health and omega-3s for heart and brain function. The catch? You need to eat them ground. Whole seeds pass right through. How to use it? Add 1 tablespoon of ground flax seeds to your smoothies, oatmeal, or even salad dressings daily. 4. Spinach, the detoxifier. Spinach is more than just rabbit food. It's your body's detox partner. Packed with iron, folate, magnesium, and vitamin K, spinach supports healthy red blood cells, boosts energy, and helps your liver process and eliminate excess hormones. Crucial for hormone balance and reducing bloating. It also promotes glowing skin and a strong immune system, both of which can decline after 30. How to use it? Blend into green smoothies or lightly saute with garlic as a dinner side. 5. Sweet potatoes, the energy recharger. If you feel like you're running on empty, sweet potatoes can help restore your energy naturally. They're a complex carbohydrate rich in vitamin A, beta-carotene, vitamin C, and fiber, giving your body long-lasting energy without spiking your blood sugar. Bonus, they also support skin cell turnover and help with collagen production, keeping your skin youthful. How to use it? Roast with a dash of cinnamon, mash with olive oil, or bake into healthy fries. So to recap, the 5 superfoods every woman over 30 should eat daily are: 1. Avocados for hormones and skin. 2. Blueberries for aging and brain power. 3. Flax seeds for estrogen and gut health. 4. Spinach for detox and nutrients. 5. Sweet potatoes for energy and skin glow. Which of these do you already eat? And which one are you adding to your grocery list this week? Tell me in the comments below. If you found this helpful, give it a like, hit subscribe, and share with a woman in your life who deserves to feel her best every single day. Until next time, stay strong, stay healthy, and stay glowing.